Hello, and welcome to Smart Life Solutions, your one-stop destination for life hacks and productivity tips. We're here to help you navigate through the hustle and bustle of everyday life with ease. So sit back, relax, and allow us to guide you on your journey to becoming your most efficient self yet. Let's begin, shall we? Or do you want to boost your efficiency? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the land of ultimate life hacks and productivity tips. With a little bit of wit and a whole lot of wisdom, we're about to revolutionize the way you approach your daily tasks. First on the agenda, the power of prioritization. It's like sorting through your sock drawer. You need to pick out the important pairs first, those ones that keep your feet warm and cozy, before you worry about the mismatched ones. Craft a to-do list and rank items in order of importance. It's a simple yet effective way to stay on track and speed up the achievement of your goals. Next up, we're tackling effective time management. Think of time as a bar of soap. The more you fiddle with it, the quicker it slips away. So set specific chunks of time for different activities, banish distractions, and use timers to keep yourself in check. You'll squeeze more productivity out of your day than juice from a ripe orange. Now let's dive into the art of delegation. Imagine you're a chef at a bustling restaurant. You wouldn't peel every potato, chop every onion, and stir every soup. You delegate tasks to your sous chefs and kitchen staff. Similarly, in our daily lives, we can delegate tasks to others. It's not about shirking responsibility, but about making the best use of everyone's skills and time. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. And when you do delegate, do it effectively by clearly communicating your expectations and deadlines. If you've been watching this video up to this point, we want to take a moment to thank you. We appreciate your time and attention. It's your interest in these topics that fuels our work. If you're finding value in this content and would like to see more, we'd be grateful if you could hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this for YouTube. Now, let's get back to more tools and techniques to help you manage your time effectively. Then, we move on to task batching. It's like making a sandwich. You wouldn't put the bread in the toaster, then slice the tomato, then go back to butter the bread, right? Group similar tasks together and tackle them in one go. It increases efficiency and reduces that pesky mental clutter. Now let's delve into the power of automation. It's like having a personal butler, only digital. Automate repetitive tasks, delegate to digital assistants, use software tools and set up email filters. It's like having your cake and eating it too, without having to bake it yourself. Lastly, self-care. It's like watering a plant. You can't expect it to grow if you don't give it what it needs. Regular breaks, exercise, and enough sleep are your water and sunshine. Remember, a healthy mind and body are your ticket to success. And with that, we've wrapped up our guide to boosting your efficiency. It's like finding a shortcut on a long journey. Implement these strategies and watch your productivity take off like a kangaroo on a trampoline. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more wisdom and wit. Remember, being efficient doesn't mean being boring. Cheers. Before we wrap up, here's a little request. If you found our tips helpful and want more of such wisdom and wit, do subscribe to our channel, Smart Life Solutions. Stay tuned for more life hacks and productivity tips. Remember, Smart Life Solutions is your one-stop destination for a smarter, more efficient life. Subscribe now.